Hey everybody, we have a inequality that we're trying to establish, and the values in this inequality, the three values, are the lengths of the side of a triangle. So let me get a triangle drawn here, a better one than that. Okay, we'll have to live with that. That's our triangle. Now let's call this this side X, this side Y, and this side Z. Now notice there's a number of ways you can interpret this, but one thing is certain, X has to be less than Y plus Z. And you can say the same thing for the other two sides. So again, this could be thought of as the triangle inequality. Just you have these two sides right here, okay, and the length of this side is necessarily less than Y plus Z, okay. Now, so let's take a look at how we can manage this. When you expand out this left-hand side, you get this result here. It takes a little bit of time, but notice there's 9 terms when you expand the trinomial, and you have 9 terms on the right-hand side, albeit indistinct. All right, so let's move along. Now notice what we can do right here. We have x squared right here, all right? But just this picture right here indicates that x is less than y plus z. And so we can replace one of the x's. In other words, this would be x times x, right? X times x. But this x is less than yz, so that's where this less than symbol comes from. And similar all the way across. Y would be less than x plus z. And so on. Y would be less than x plus z, and then we could write down a similar statement. But in this fashion, this gets converted to this, okay, by using this particular triangle, okay? Now, when you multiply all this out, you get 2xy plus 2xz plus 2yz, okay? So we can just rephrase x, we can write it like this: x squared plus y squared plus z squared is less than this. And then from the original statement, we can write this, okay? So notice that this is equal to 4 times xy plus xz plus yz. Okay, and that's it. We proved what we set out to prove. The quantity x plus y plus z squared is less than 4 times all of the sum of these products. Okay, again, which is what we were trying to establish here. So it was quite easy here. The algebra is this step right here. We draw a picture of an arbitrary triangle, noting a truth about that. And then we simply replace x squared with an object that it's less than. We replace y squared with an object that it's less than. And we replace z squared with an object that is less than. So we get this, okay, and then combined with this, we prove what we set out to prove. Okay, y'all. That is it. Hope you enjoyed.